Hello, my name is John, and in this video, I will explain how to get our Plenty EA software. Install it in your Metatrader account and make all the settings to send your selected signals to your account. First, you need to download the Plenty EA from our platform. You must be logged in and click on My Account button at the top of the website. You will come to your account. If you have purchased our Plenty EA, you can now set the slide switch to Plenty EA to switch to Live version. Next to the My Account button, you will find the button Settings. Click on it. Below, you will find some settings for managing your account. Now, click on the tab Plenty EA. Now, following the 3 steps, you are ready to receive your selected signals to your account. In the section Download EA, you can download the Plenty EA. Click on the Download button to start the download. You will receive a zip file named Plenty EA. A more detailed instructions on how to install the Plenty EA can also be found in the Read User Manual section if you click on the Download button. In the section Connect Your Account, you have to enter your Metatrader account number to which you want to send the signals. You will find them in your Metatrader account at the top. Take over this number and enter it in the input field under Connect Your Account in your Plenty Trade account. Then click on Save My Settings. Now, open the folder with the downloaded Plenty EA file. Inside the folder, you will find another folder named MQL4, which you'll need to add to your Metatrader account in the next step. Go in your Metatrader account to the tab File, and then click on Open Data Folder. Now, mark the file MQL4 in the Plenty EA folder and move it into the folder of your Metatrader account. When you insert the data, your existing data will remain and will not be overwritten. Now confirm that you want to add the new data to the existing folder. Close all open folders now. To activate the Plenty EA, you just have to click in the Navigator window with a right-click on Expert Advisor, and then on Refresh. The Plenty EA will now be added to the Expert Advisor. Before you start the Plenty EA, make sure that all the settings in the Metatrader are correct. Click on the tab Tools, and then on Options. In the Expert Advisor tab, check the boxes Allow Automated Trading and Allow DLL Import. All others are optional. Click OK. Now you can activate the Plenty EA by adding it to a chart. Which one doesn't matter. However, be sure to install the Plenty EA in just one chart to avoid double order execution. Right-click on the Plenty EA and then on Attach to Chart. In the Common tab, check the boxes Allow Live Trading, Allow DLL Imports, and Allow Import of External Experts. In the Inputs tab, enter prefixes or suffixes, depending on whether your broker uses them in their currency pair symbols. Mostly, however, no entry is necessary here. Click OK. If you followed this guide, you will see Plenty EA in the top right of the chart with the current version number and a smiling smiley face. To view if your Metatrader is connected and your current account balance, you must refresh the page. Congratulations! You can use our Plenty EA and receive the signals of your chosen trading strategies in your Metatrader account.